How to fix SD card error. Please replace the SD card and retry. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you that how you can fix SD card error. Please replace the SD card and retry problem in your mobile device. But guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, just a few hours back I got this error in my phone and I took a screenshot because at the time I was busy to solve the problem and I was not able to record the video and tell you that how I fix it because the video would become too long. So in that case I just took a screenshot and after that I fixed my problem, and then now I will tell you how I exactly fix the problem and how you can do it. So guys, let's get started. I'll tell you 4 to 5 methods which will definitely help you to fix the problem. So in that case you have to watch video till the end, because if the method 1 is not working, then the method 2 will definitely work. If the method 2 is not working, then the method 3 will work. If the method 3 is also not working, then the 4th will work. If the 4th also not working, then the 5th will definitely work. So in that case you have to watch the video till the end so that all of the method will definitely work on your phone. So in that case let's get started. Okay guys, the very first thing that you have to do is, first method to fix the problem is I suggest you to restart your device once, and after restarting your device just check whether your problem is fixed or not. If it does not fix your problem, then I suggest you to just remove your SD card. I hope you have already removed and you have already done this process, because the error itself says that please replace the SD card and retry. So in that case just eject your SD card and then again insert it and then check whether it is working or not. If it is working, that's great, but if the problem remains same, then I suggest you to follow the third method, which is you simply have to go to your mobile settings, and then from here you have to go to the bottom, and then here you will get the option app management. In different mobile you will get the different option. In my mobile, as you can see, I have the app management option. In different mobile you will see manage apps or application manager or apps. So you just have to come to the application manager, and then here you have to select all apps. Okay, in your phone you might see all apps, mobile apps, system apps. So select the all apps, or if you are using the Vivo or Realme phone, then you have to select this show system processes, and just scroll up and then find the option file manager here. As you can see, here is my file manager. So just click the file manager and then go to storage. Okay, before moving towards storage, simply click on the force stop. Just first force stop your file manager, go to storage usage, clear the cache and then clear the data. Okay, I have just cleared my data. Now guys, clearing the data doesn't mean that all of your photos and videos will be deleted. It doesn't mean that. Okay, clearing the data simply means that you have some junk files, you have some unwanted files in your file manager, which will automatically delete it. Okay, so but your photos and videos and other important files will never delete it, so you don't have to worry about it. I'll show you the proof that it won't delete anything. Now simply have to click. As you can see, I have all my data here: audio, video, photos and WhatsApp and everything. So it won't delete anything. I have just cleared my data, as you can see. So right after clearing the data, come back and then check. You will see that your problem is fixed, and then just insert your memory card, and then you will be able to see that your problem is fixed. But guys, if this third method is also not working, then I suggest you to back up your memory card data on your computer or in different mobile, and then format your memory card, and then use. Sometimes we may get virus in our SD card, and because of that we might get this kind of error in our device. So in that case you simply have to format your memory card and then reinsert it, and then it will definitely work. Okay, now guys, this is the fourth method. If your memory card still if you still face this problem, then I suggest you to eject your memory card and then put it into another phone, and then check whether you are getting that same error in another device or not. If you are getting the same error in another device, then your memory card has expired, your memory card is dead, I guess. So in that case there is no other way to recover your SD card. You simply have to get another memory card, SD card, that's it. So this is how you fix the problem. I hope this video definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.